Hi, this is Mr. Urrego, and we're going to work on this problem right now. They're asking me to write the equation in slope-intercept form that represents a line that is parallel to this. So I need the equation of a line that is parallel to this line, but my line goes through point -8, 5. They're asking me to write this in slope-intercept form, but we're going to practice two ways right now. So I have my slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx+b. From here, I need my slope and the y-intercept. And I also am going to write my form point slope form, okay? Point slope form. And to find my point slope form, I need my slope and I need the y1 and x1. x1, y1 is 1 point. So if you notice, they gave me a point already. So this is going to be my x1 and this is my y1, okay? And I need the slope as well. But again, look at this. They're saying my two lines are parallel lines. And I know that two lines are parallel if the slopes are the same. So if this is the equation 1, and my equation, the one that I'm looking for, is telling me that they're parallel, that means this is slope 1. Slope 2 have to be the same as slope 1, which is 1/4. Slopes have to be the same. So this equation is giving me the slope for my second equation. So now I have the slope and I have 1 point. So let's replace it in here. So I'm going to rewrite the point slope form, y minus y1, x minus x1, and I'm going to replace the given values. So -8 is going to be my x1, y1 is going to be 5. So y minus and y1 is 5 equals m. From this, it's telling me that it's going to be 1/4, parenthesis, x minus x1. X minus x1, how much is all? X, and this is the minus from here, but the x1 is also negative. So I'm going to put a parenthesis and another, and that's negative, okay? So let me work those signs right now. So I have 1/4, and I have negative becomes positive, okay? That becomes positive. So now it's a matter of just solving and leaving the y by itself. If I have a 1/4 in front of a parenthesis, that means I have to multiply that 1/4. So let's change this to red. And that means I have to multiply this 1/4. I have to distribute that times the x is 1/4x, and then 1/4 times 8 is 1/4. Let me make this a fraction, and then is 1 times 8 is going to give me 8 on the top, and the bottom is 4 times 1, which is 4. Y minus 5, I'll finish. Let me solve this fraction. So I'm going to have y minus 5 is 1/4 of x, and 8 divided by 4 is 2. Now, I just solved the parentheses. Why? Because I want to rewrite my equation in slope-intercept form, which means the y has to be by itself without no parentheses. Right now I have 5 with the y. I want to cancel the 5 is negative, so I add on both sides. Okay? So -5 plus 5 is going to cancel out, and I'm going to have the y on the left side by itself. Okay? So bring down the y. The 5's cancel. I bring down the 1/4 of x, and then 2 plus 5 is 7. And this is the equation in slope-intercept form. So here, we did it in two different ways. This is the point slope form, okay? We using the parentheses. And then when I distribute the 1/4 on the outside, and then I left the y by itself, now this is in slope-intercept form, okay? And that's the equation that I was looking for. Let me just check one thing. Look at the equations. We said that whenever I have parallel lines, my slopes are the same. This is the slope of this equation. I'm doing the top, okay? And look at the bottom. This is the slope of the second equation, which they're the same. So two parallel lines have the same slope. Thank you.